Section 7, number 8, you're going to find the value of the variables. Here we see a triangle and it is cut by two parallel lines. Therefore, we can actually set up a very interesting thing. So we can compare the left segment ratio and we can set that equal to your right side ratio. Okay? So this is true, right, because of that parallel line. So we can now do this. 5 over 15 is equal to Q over 24. Okay, now we can cross multiply this. 5 times 24 is equal to Q times 15. Okay. 5 times 24, which is 120. Q times 15 is just 15Q. Divide by 15 to both sides. This gets you Q is equal to 120 divided by 15. It is just 8. Right? There you go. Okay? Because these have to be proportional. All right? Okay. Take a look here. B, same thing. Okay? Same left side ratio equals to the right side ratio. Okay? Right. So, if this whole thing is 24, this piece that is left is 24 minus C. So I can do 24 minus C divided by C, which is my left side ratio. That's going to be equal to my right side ratio of 20 divided by 12. I can cross multiply. 12 parentheses 24 minus C equals to C times 20. Okay. So now we can just distribute 12 times 24, which is 288. Then 12 times negative C, which is negative 12C, is equal to 20C plus 12C to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with a 288 is equal to 32C divided by 32 to both sides. 288 divided by 32, that gets you C is equal to 9. Okay. Last one, again, we can see that there are parallel lines through this triangle, so we can still set up this proportion. Right? Left side ratio equals to the right side ratio. The whole left side is 55, so this piece right here, this is 55 minus Z, okay, which is just this piece here. So we can do Z over 55 minus Z is equal to 12 over 32. All right, let's cross multiply. So Z times 32 is equal to 12 parentheses 55 minus Z. All right. Z times 32, which is 32Z, is equal to 12 times 55. This gets you 660. Then 12 times negative Z, which is negative 12Z. Right? Add 12Z to both sides. This gets you 44Z is equal to 660 because this cancels. Then divide by 44 to both sides. 660 divided by 44 gets you Z is equal to 15. So there you go. Those are all the variables. Notice, to approach this problem, we set up the proportion of the left side ratio segment is equal to the right side ratio segment.